Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, exploring every detail that makes a bike stand out. Today, we're turning our focus to a classic yet fresh contender in the single-cylinder segment, the 2025 Yamaha SR450. This bike is a beautiful blend of retro styling with modern engineering, offering a riding experience that feels both timeless and exhilarating. Whether you're a fan of vintage-inspired machines or looking for a straightforward, no-nonsense bike with character, the SR450 might just be what you've been waiting for. Starting with the heart of the machine, the 2025 Yamaha SR450 is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. Now, this is a bike that goes back to basics in the best way possible. It features a DOHC, double overhead camshaft, setup, designed to deliver crisp throttle response and smooth power delivery across the rev range. Unlike many of the highly tuned, race-oriented 450s out there, Yamaha has tuned this one for street-friendly usability. You get enough grunt for spirited city rides, weekend canyon carving, and even some light off-road exploration if you're feeling adventurous. The SR450 pumps out roughly 41 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque. On paper, those numbers might not blow your mind, but what really stands out is the torque curve. It's strong and linear, providing good low-end torque, which means the bike pulls nicely without the need to rev it hard all the time. The power band is very usable for daily riding, smooth and manageable, but with enough kick when you open it up. Yamaha has paired this engine with a 6-speed transmission, allowing you to make the most of the power while maintaining relaxed cruising RPMs on highways. One of the most significant features of the SR450 is its simplicity. The air-cooled engine, classic carburetor setup, and minimalistic electronics make the bike incredibly easy to maintain. For riders who prefer a mechanical connection to their motorcycle over complex electronics, the SR450 offers just that, a raw, authentic experience that's both rewarding and dependable. Moving on to the design, the Yamaha SR450 is a true homage to the classic street bikes of the 1970s and 80s, capturing that iconic retro vibe while still feeling fresh. The bike's silhouette is clean and straightforward, with a slim fuel tank finished in gloss or matte paint options, and subtle pinstriping details that accentuate its vintage charm. The round headlight, classic analog speedometer, and minimal switchgear all add to that timeless look, appealing to purists and modern retro enthusiasts alike. The frame is a steel double cradle design, maintaining rigidity and durability without excessive weight. It's complemented by a simple yet effective suspension setup. Telescopic front forks with around 135 mm of travel and dual shock absorbers at the rear. The suspension strikes a nice balance between comfort and sportiness, firm enough to keep the bike composed through twisty roads but forgiving enough for everyday bumps in city streets. Braking duties are handled by a single 310 mm disc up front with a dual piston caliper and a 245 mm disc at the rear. Yamaha has equipped the SR450 with ABS as standard, which is a welcome safety feature, especially for a bike in this category. The brakes offer progressive feel and good stopping power, making the bike confidence inspiring in various riding conditions. The wheels are spoked, wrapped with classic-style tires that suit the retro theme perfectly while delivering modern grip and durability. Tire sizes are 19 inches up front and 18 inches at the rear. This combination offers nimble handling with enough stability to feel planted on the road. Ergonomically, the SR450 favors a relaxed, upright riding posture. The seat height is moderate at about 810 mm, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The seat itself is a flat, single-piece unit, covered in a textured vinyl that complements the vintage aesthetic and offers decent comfort for both short commutes and longer rides. The handlebar is wide and slightly swept back, providing good leverage and control, while the foot pegs sit in a neutral position, striking a balance between sporty and comfortable. One of the unique selling points of the Yamaha SR450 is how it manages to blend nostalgia with practicality. It's a bike that doesn't try to be everything for everyone but instead focuses on delivering a pure, enjoyable riding experience with a classic soul. For many riders, it's the perfect antidote to the complexity and digital overload found in many modern motorcycles. In terms of tech, the SR450 keeps it simple. There's no fancy TFT display or ride-by-wire throttle here. Just analog instruments and a straightforward mechanical throttle. This simplicity means fewer electronics to go wrong and a more connected, tactile feel to the ride. However, Yamaha hasn't neglected modern expectations entirely. The inclusion of ABS and LED lighting ensures safety and visibility without compromising the bike's retro look. Let's talk about the sound. The SR450 offers a satisfying exhaust note that's deep and throaty without being overpowering. It's the kind of sound that makes you smile every time you twist the throttle, reminding you of classic street bikes but with a refinement that's very much modern. On the weight front, the bike tips the scales at just under 170 kilograms, dry weight, which is impressively light for a bike with this kind of build and engine capacity. This lightweight nature makes the SR450 extremely agile in urban environments, easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and a joy to flick around corners on twisty roads. It's the kind of bike that invites you to ride with confidence, whether you're a novice or an experienced rider looking for a no-fuss machine. Another important aspect is the fuel tank capacity, which is around 13 liters. Combined with the efficient single-cylinder engine, this offers a decent riding range between fill-ups, perfect for both city cruising and short weekend adventures. Now, let's get into the price. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 is competitively priced, sitting at approximately $6,500. This price point places it in an attractive spot for riders looking for an affordable, reliable, and stylish bike without compromising on quality or riding enjoyment. It's a bike that offers excellent value for money, considering its build quality, timeless design, and manageable performance. To summarize, the 2025 Yamaha SR450 is a celebration of classic motorcycle culture infused with modern reliability and usability. It's a bike designed for riders who appreciate the basics done exceptionally well. No fancy electronics, no excessive horsepower chasing, just a pure, straightforward motorcycle that's as comfortable cruising around town as it is tackling weekend back roads. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first bike or a seasoned rider craving a throwback with modern reliability, the SR450 delivers. Its unique selling points lie in its simplicity, retro charm, and balanced performance. A true rider's machine that reminds us how rewarding riding a motorcycle can be when you strip it back to the essentials. To summarize, the 2025 Yamaha SR450 is a celebration of classic motorcycle culture infused with modern reliability and usability. It's a bike designed for riders who appreciate the basics done exceptionally well. No fancy electronics, no excessive horsepower chasing, just a pure, straightforward motorcycle that's as comfortable cruising around town as it is tackling weekend back roads. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha SR450. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth coverage of motorcycles from all corners of the globe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Culture Hub, and ring the bell to stay notified of all our latest videos. Drop your thoughts about the SR450 in the comments below. Would you pick this bike for your next ride? What do you love most about retro-inspired motorcycles? I'd love to hear your take. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle wide open. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.